In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Discord server. If you're brand new to Discord, or you've just received an invite and aren't sure what to do next, don't worry. This process is quick, straightforward, and the same whether you're on a phone, tablet, or computer. Start by opening Discord, either in the app or in your web browser. The app is great if you use Discord regularly, while the browser is perfect if you just want to hop in without installing anything. The experience is nearly identical in both places, so choose whatever's most convenient for you. Next, click or tap the invite link you were sent. This link might be in a direct message, a group chat, or another platform entirely. Only open invite links from people or communities you trust, and make sure the link looks legitimate. When you tap it, Discord will automatically open and take you to the invite page. If you opened it in a browser and have the app installed, you may be asked if you'd like to continue in the app. Either choice works fine. You'll land on a join confirmation screen. Take a moment to review the server name and icon to confirm you're joining the right place. This is important for both safety and clarity, especially if you've received several invites. Sometimes you'll see a short description or a member count. Use those details to double-check you're in the right spot. If something looks off, it's okay to back out and ask the sender to verify the link. When you're ready, click Join Server or Accept. The wording can vary slightly depending on your device, but it does the same thing. After a brief moment, you'll be added to the server. If you opened the invite while not actively using Discord, the app may pull you in automatically. If you're already inside Discord, you'll see the server appear right away. Once you've joined, the server will show up in your server list, the vertical column of icons on the left side of Discord. On mobile, that list may be hidden. Swipe right or tap the menu icon to reveal it. Look for the server's icon or initials. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down the list. New servers usually appear near the bottom. That's it. You're in. If the invite doesn't work, it may have expired or been revoked. In that case, just ask the person who sent it to share a fresh link. Otherwise, you're all set. Open Discord, click the invite, confirm the server details, accept, and you'll find the server waiting in your sidebar. Enjoy your new community.